So welcome back friends, this is Wrestling Battle. In this video I'm gonna talk about today's NXT shows. So let's start this. So start with the match of Johnny Gargano versus Ridge Holland in a qualifying match for the NXT North American Championship ladder match. This match was good, performance of both sides was fantastic, but in the end Johnny Gargano takes advantage and kicks Holland with a low blow. A stunned Holland is hit by the one final beat DDT. Johnny Gargano pins Holland for the victory. So the winner was this match, Johnny Gargano, and he qualified for the NXT takeover. Next we saw a match which happened in between Dakota Kai versus Jesse Kamiya. Dakota Kai easily wins the match, and after the match Dakota Kai gets on the mic and says that Io is out of her mind. She says that she is not afraid of Io. She says that Io is focused on Kai's past while Kai is focused on her future, and her future will be NXT Women's Champion. During Kai's promo, Io Shirai comes out. Shirai runs to the ring and takes down Kai, then lays into her clubbing blows. Kai rolls out of the ring, but Shirai doesn't left her run, and Io follows her. Io chases Kai back towards the ramp and shows her down. Io goes to continue her attack on Kai, but Raquel Gonzalez comes out from the nowhere and kicks Io in the face. Gonzalez picks up Io and carries her back to the ring. Kai stares down to the Io and trash talks her. Io gets to her feet and attacks Kai, but Gonzalez gets back in the ring and lays her out with a strike to the back of head. Gonzalez hits Shirai with the power bomb, and Gonzalez Kai stand tall over down Io Shirai. Then at backstage, Tegan Nox is interviewed about Candice LeRae's remarks from the last week. Nox says that she was hurt by the Candice words, but Nox refused to give up on her friendship with Candice. She wants to fix it and says that she is ready to talk, then walks away from the interview as we go to the commercial. Next we saw a match which happened in between Legado del Fantasma versus Breezango. In the end moment, Escobar hits Phantom Driver on the breeze and he got the victory for his team. Then after WWE NXT announces a match for the NXT TakeOver 30 pre-show, there will be a triple threat tag team match between Breezango versus Danny Burch and Oni Lorcan versus Legado del Fantasma to determine the number one contender for the NXT Tag Team Championship. Next we saw a face-off in between Adam Cole and Pat McAfee. Undisputed Era makes their way to the ring. McAfee and his teammates come out through a door in the audience. McAfee gets on the mic and says he answered Cole's challenge and brought his teammates to nullify the involvement of the rest of Undisputed Era. Cole sends Fish, Strong and Kyle O'Reilly out of the ring, and McAfee does the same with the teammates. McAfee enters the ring and talks about when he kicked Cole's head in 2 weeks ago and about how Cole ranted last week. McAfee takes issue with Cole, saying that he is not special. McAfee hypes up Cole and says that while Cole was undefeated for over 400 days, he knocked out Cole in 1 minute. McAfee says that's special. McAfee runs down everyone and says that he could stick in the wrestling if they wanted to and make menial donuts. He says that while he only has 2 weeks to prepare, McAfee will still beat Cole. He says that he is better than Cole as an athlete and a human. He says that he will kick Cole's head to the moon. McAfee finishes his promo and throws the mic at Cole. Cole moves forward toward McAfee, and WWE security step into the ring and stop him from getting to the McAfee, and Cole clears out the security and McAfee looks terrified. Cole steps to the McAfee and his teammates get in his corner. Undisputed Era gets in the ring. Cole taunts them all to get in the ring and takes him to the team. They don't get in the ring, so Cole gets in the McAfee's face and says loud and clear, "This Saturday at TakeOver, I'm going to make you my bitch." Next we saw a match. This was a women's tag team match which happened in between Aliyah and Mercedes Martinez versus Shotzi Blackheart and Rhea Ripley. In the ending moment, Shotzi Blackheart hits a senton on Aliyah and she got the victory for her team. Rhea Ripley and Shotzi Blackheart won the match. Back from the commercial, we get the preview of the upcoming match between Lee and Cross. It starts with Lee beating Adam Cole at the Great American Bash, becoming double champion. Karrion Kross cuts a promo over footage of himself and hourglass and volcanic eruption. We see more clips from the Karrion Kross previous match, including him taking out Tommaso Ciampa and Dominic. This is followed by the fire imagery and the fireball blowing up in the Lee's face. The rest of the footage is just a mashup of Kross and Lee footage, ending with the end car for Takeover 30. In the main event, we saw a match which happened in between Finn Balor versus Velveteen Dream in a qualifying match for the NXT North American Championship ladder match. If we talk about the match was fantastic. Performance of both sides were really awesome. But during the match, Gargano comes down to the ring and pushes the ladder that Grimes is on, sending Grimes into the ring, taking the referee out. Of the same time, Balor and Dream takes on Grimes. Gargano grabs the NXT North American Championship and start to walk to the back, but Bronson Reed stops him and chases him back to the ring where Damian Priest is waiting. Reed and Priest take out the Gargano. Priest tries to take out the Reed, but Damian catches Priest with DDT. Reed and Dream also end on the outside, but Balor hits a top onto the Dream and Reed on the outside. Balor gets onto the feet when suddenly Timothy Thatcher comes out nowhere and takes out Balor. Thatcher tosses Balor back into the ring, right into the waiting arms of Velveteen Dream. Dream hits Balor with the Dream Valley Driver, then pins Balor just in time for the ref to begin consciousness and count the pinfall victory. So Velveteen Dream defeats Finn Balor in this match and he qualifies for the North American Championship ladder match, which will happen at NXT Takeover 30. Johnny Gargano comes in and hits Super King on a celebrating Dream. Grimes takes out Gargano and Damian Priest takes out Cameron Grimes. Bronson Reed takes out Damian Priest and Velveteen Dream. NXT goes off with the air with Bronson Reed holding the NXT North American Championship in the middle of ring. So this is the WWE NXT highlights of today's show. If you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. For now, bye bye.